Yes, touching the bottom of your ring finger with your thumb activates the Surya Mudra, Sun Mudra, which balances the fire element in the body. This mudra is especially beneficial for controlling sneezing, morning sickness, allergies, and throat irritation. How Surya Mudra helps. Controls sneezing and allergies, regulates the respiratory system, and reduces hypersensitivity to allergens. Reduces morning sickness, balances digestion, and prevents nausea. Soothes throat irritation, stimulates energy flow, and reduces inflammation in the throat. Clears mucus and congestion, enhances warmth in the body, which helps clear blocked sinuses. How to do Surya Mudra for these benefits. Sit comfortably with your spine straight. Press the base of your ring finger with your thumb gently. Keep the other 3 fingers extended. Hold for 10-15 minutes, especially in the morning or when symptoms appear.